Alright, we're here on the Miami, Ohio towpath?
No, Miami to Erie, canal towpath.
Miami to Erie to canal towpath.
Miami to Erie, canal towpath.
That's what I just said.
No.
From Miami to Erie, canal towpath.
There you go. Very muddy waters today.
First time here. It just rained 10 minutes ago.
Which way do we go? I also like not down. I feel like not down.
I feel like they're just gonna meet up together. Nice little bridge right here.
I guess we go either way.
Yeah. There's some stairs right there. If we're gonna grind on the thing again. Yeah. Nice day. Not too hot, not too cold. Let's see what this trail has to offer.
This is a whole new canal path for us.
Waterville 10 miles to the right, Maumee 16 miles, Toledo 30 miles, 220 miles Cincinnati the other way to the left, 90 miles to St. Mary's. Alright, so there's an update on the turtle. He's not dead. We put him in this puddle over here and he kind of like started moving around, blinking, got a little wet, started swimming away. So then we put him down in the canal over here and he put him on the bank and he crawled right into the canal and swam away. So pretty sure we helped the turtle out. pretty sure all he needed was a little bit of water. He looked dried out and not moving at first, so.
I wish I would have taped that. That was so cute. Here. All I needed was a little bit of water. Just put your fingers off. He was dried out.
Camper alert. These campsites are a floodplain. Beware of potential flooding. Yes. Nice little roll bomb. Bomb it right into the lake, river, the Maumee River.
Put your canoe in here. And look how easy it is to get here.
Yep. And then alright, so we did about 16 miles ish. Pretty cool trail. It's rough in some areas. Lots of there's 2 geese up here. They're gonna be aggressive.
Oh, they are. Shit. Just made it.
Just made it back to the truck. It is now raining. We beat the rain, got loaded up, and now we're on our way to Monroe Skate Park.
To get loaded up. No.